Everyone thinks the best-selling elliptical machines are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, MERACH Underdesk Elliptical. The MERACH Underdesk Elliptical really caught my eye, especially with its compact design and quiet operation, all for just $99.99. If you want a way to stay active while working or relaxing at home, this is worth a serious look. This machine is all about convenience and low impact. This means you can pedal without straining your joints, which is perfect whether you're recovering from an injury or just want to get a workout in while sitting. The whisper quiet operation is a big plus too. At less than 15 dB, you can easily use it in an office setting without bothering anyone. Plus, it's super lightweight at just 11.13 pounds, making it easy to move around. Now, some people complained about the lack of a sophisticated display, which some might find limiting. Here's the thing though, if you just want an effective way to keep your legs moving without all the bells and whistles, that's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you work long hours at a desk or are looking for a gentle exercise option. Skip this one if you need something more intense or if you're really focused on tracking your performance. Now, if the compact size of the MERACH bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. Next up is the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper, priced at only $52.99. Honestly, I was amazed at how compact and functional this little machine is. If you're looking for an affordable way to get in some cardio without taking up much space, this might be just what you need. The mini stepper is built sturdy, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds so you can step confidently. It offers a full-body workout experience, thanks to the included resistance bands that target your upper body while your legs are working hard. The LCD monitor tracks your steps and calories burned, which helps keep you motivated. And with its quiet hydraulic system, you can use it anytime without disturbing anyone. However, some users mentioned that it might not provide enough resistance for advanced users. Here's the thing, if you're a beginner or just want a light workout, this won't be an issue at all. But if you're looking for something to really challenge you, you might want to keep shopping. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, space-saving cardio option. Skip this one if you're at a more advanced fitness level and need something more intense. For the price, it truly delivers good value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who want something a bit more advanced. Product number 3, QBIJ R1 Underdesk Elliptical. The QBIJ R1 is up next, coming in at $169.99. Right off the bat, I loved its sleek design and ergonomic features. If you want to stay fit while working at your desk, this is worth a serious look. The QBIJ R1 allows you to pedal while seated, helping you burn calories without ever leaving your chair. Plus, it can connect to a mobile app for even more tracking features. This machine is low impact, making it ideal for seniors or those with limited mobility. A downside people mention is that it might feel a bit restrictive if you have larger feet. But here's the thing, if you're mainly using it to stay active while working, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's all about finding what works for your routine. This is perfect for you if you work from home and need a subtle way to get some exercise. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-intensity workout. It's a solid investment for what it offers. Now, if you're a fan of advanced features, the next product will definitely catch your attention. Product number 4, Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine. Next, we have the Nice Day Elliptical Exercise Machine, priced at $599.97. The first thing that struck me was its sturdy construction and smooth performance. If you want a reliable machine that feels like a gym-quality experience at home, this is worth considering. With an 18-inch stride and 16 resistance levels, this machine caters to all fitness levels. The low-noise operation, below 20 dB, means you can work out anytime without disturbing anyone. Plus, it supports the Kinemap app, allowing you to spice up your workouts with interactive features. However, the price might be a little steep for some. Now, some might argue that investing this much is overkill for home use. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your fitness journey and want something that can grow with you, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want an advanced machine that can handle a variety of workouts. Skip this if you're just looking for something basic. Overall, it's a strong contender for your home gym. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly but still effective, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Pubu Elliptical Machine. Finally, we have the Pubu Elliptical Machine at $299.99. I was genuinely surprised by its solid build and quiet operation. If you want an affordable elliptical without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a look. The Pubu features a smooth magnetic drive system and 16 resistance levels, making it adaptable to your fitness needs. Plus, it comes with a digital monitor to track your progress and even integrates with fitness apps. One downside that some users noted is the assembly process can be a bit tricky. But here's the thing, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the smooth and quiet workout it provides, which makes it worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, budget-friendly elliptical for home use. Skip this one if you prefer something more high-end or if assembly is a deal-breaker for you. It's a great value for the features it offers. So there you have it, 5 great elliptical machines to consider for your home workouts. From the compact MERACH to the advanced NiceDay, each offers unique benefits. The Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper and QBIJR1 are great for those tight on space, while the Pubu provides fantastic value. No matter your budget or fitness level, there's something here for you.